Guys, welcome back. We finally did the updates on the V-COPTER, which was a bit of a pain in the ass. We had to open up an account, and it took us a bit of time there to get the account open, and then we had to download the fly kit to Windows, and then we had to plug in the drone into my laptop and do some firmware updates. Okay, let me try to get this set up here. I'll tell you a bit more. Okay, so I want to take the battery out for now, and what we're going to do is I have this little landing legs, which actually is going to go onto the battery like this. So before you fly, you have to put this on the battery. These are the feet for it, so let's stick this in here. We want to make sure that this is connected. Okay, but there's the V-COPTER. She's all been updated. We updated the controller through the fly kit. Also, last time I forgot to mention over here on the back side is there's a buying button, and there's a slot for a micro SD card. But as you can see, today I didn't bring a micro SD card. It does come with 8 gig on board, so that's all we're going to have for today's first flight. And hopefully she actually flies. So let's close that up. Let's set her down. Let's put these up and spread the propellers. Okay, wish me luck, guys. Here goes nothing. One, two, three, four, 5. 5 seconds, she comes on. Button on the side. 1, 2. Skip. Okay, we're in manual mode. Okay, let's see if we could just start the propellers there. Out. Okay. So if you move the sticks outward, it starts the propellers. So everything looks good here so far. Let's take her up. It's 100. Shutter is 1/250. Okay, I think we'll just leave her the way she is for now, and let's try a takeoff. Warning, reach maximum flight altitude, wait for GPS. Okay, so she doesn't have GPS yet. Let's try and take her up higher. No, she won't go. She won't go any higher. She's got 9 satellites. Let's spin her around. Let's see if we can get more satellites. Okay, we're up to 10 satellites. Let's see. Okay, she's going up higher. Okay.
I've been down so long that my mind can't get no rest. No, no. I've been down so long that my mind can't get no rest. No, no. This ain't easy, darling, 'cause the devil's on my trail. I've been running so long that my feet don't work no more. Oh yeah. I've been running so long that my feet don't work no more. Oh no. It ain't easy, darling, when the devil's on my trail. Oh yeah.
Okay, guys. Well, there we go. There's the first flight of the V-COPTER, and I'm quite surprised she flies very well. It was very frustrating, though, getting it registered and doing the update, but now that we have the fly kit installed on the laptop, you know, whenever we need an update, we're going to plug in the drone and run that program. It'll update the drone, and then afterwards you close the program down, start it back up, plug in your controller, and let the controller get whatever updates it needs to. It's very important there to do all that before you take your drone out for a flight. Also, what's really important too is once your drone is set up, always remember to spread out your props I did watch somebody else with a V-COPTER, and it didn't appear that they had pulled the prop straight out, and it looked like the copter went a little bit crazy and crashed and broke. Anyways, guys, I really appreciate the watch. Hope you enjoy this video, and we'll catch you in the next one. Catch you later.